just excited to just do small mundane things. I feel like we're at the point in a relationship where I really value just doing like very mundane basic things. Like I'm just excited to be around him, cook together, read together, sit at a cafe, enjoying the weather, people watching. Like the small moments, I just really miss the small moments. And yeah, I hope it's not too sappy, it's not too lovey-dovey. But earlier, when I was walking home, a thought passes in my head how this is a city that I call home, but for him it's alien. Like he's never been here before, so it's completely new for him. He's only seen it through pictures, but yet here I am in a place I call home. A little bit scared to show him, but overall I'm so excited for his arrival.
I was like, yeah, that's how you call it. One of my favorite park. I'm showing it to him. Oh, so pretty. Wait. Mana perbuatan? Tak tahu. Wow. It's my favorite tree. Nggak usah gitu juga, dekem dari samping aja.
Samping sekarang Kim.
We're on our way to Helico. We wanted to go see the tulip field and ride a bicycle and go around the town. So apparently, my brother told me that you can go to Helicom and then like have a biking tour. You can see the beach, the tulip field, and then there's like a forest or something. But the problem is the bicycle, it might not be there. It might be full. So we shall see. But hopefully we'll get a bike somewhere, somehow. Yeah. Hi, today the weather is 23 degrees, which is amazing. Look. And tomorrow is gonna be even warmer, and I'm very excited. I don't think I've spoken at all the whole time Matthias was here, but I really wanted to show you what I got from the bookstore a few days ago. I'm so excited. I got 2 books. Basically, I finished The Lover by Marjorie Duras. Yeah, I finally finished this. It took me a while to finish this, even though it's a very short book, because I think I'm reading it at the peak of my business month, which was April. I have like exams, and then Matthews was coming, so it's hard for me to find time to really sit through. And then the book that I picked up, I got 2 books. The first one is on the calculation of volume by Solveig Ballet, maybe. Oh, it's a Danish author. But as I was going to the bookstore, it caught my attention because the synopsis of the book was quite interesting. So basically, the main character, Tara Selter, she wakes up every morning at the 18th of November. So she kept waking up at the exact same day, exact same events are happening the exact same way. But she's the only one who noticed, whereas like everyone else in her world doesn't realize that the date kept repeating. And I think it talks a lot about like meditation on like time and the loneliness. And also like the quote at the back was so interesting. It seems so odd to me now how one can be so unsettled by the improbable when we know that our entire existence is founded on freak occurrences and improbable coincidence, that we wouldn't be here at all if it weren't for these curious twists of fate. So very interesting. I'm very excited. And then the next one that I picked up is A Woman's Story by Annie Ernaux. I think like this book kind of like talks the relationship between a mother and a daughter, and I think anything related to like family, I'm very interested in that. So yeah, I'm very interested to read this, and I think it's gonna be a sad read, so I'm gonna save this for later and I'm gonna read this one. But yes. Anyway, we are going to go have a picnic, and I'm probably gonna start reading this book, so I'm very excited. And yeah, my current go-to lip combo. I've been loving this lipstick from Matte for Makeup. It's an Indonesian brand. Oh my god, I love it. This is like an oil lipstick, so it's very creamy, and a little goes a long way. Yeah, ready. Tapi foto item gini kan. Oke, oke.
He doesn't trust me.
Did I overdo it? 'Cause you're pulling back again. It's always the same old circles burning through my head. Am I being selfish? I just hate this part of the